Today's October 1st of 2024, and what we did this morning was we did a house wash with a gutter cleaning. It was a little bit more complicated than normal because the lady had a ton of plants. I should be coming out with a video that kind of covers that whole wash experience as best I could. I couldn't get a whole lot of footage just because it was really complicated to move stuff around. She had power lines coming in on the top side and then plants all over the place. So it was a little more on the complicated side, but I'm sitting here in my office right now. It's, let's see, it's 6:30 at night, and I'm working on editing some video to put up of a job that we did the other day. And so today's update is pretty good. We had 2 jobs today, did a total of $1,200, I believe it was, and got everything done by noon and was able to work on some admin stuff. I'm currently trying to figure out if I'm going to go with House Call Pro or another company. I've been using Jobber, but there's some issues with Jobber on the back end as far as accounting goes. They like to batch their payouts, which makes it a huge headache for my accountant, who is also my wife, to figure out where the fees are being taken from and be able to get everything to equal out the right way. That's accounting stuff. It's not, I'm not an expert in accounting by any means. So, but if you have Jobber, or if you have any other CRM, I would be very interested to hear what your experience is, what you like, what you don't like about the different ones. I know I've considered Jobber, Mark8, House Call Pro. There's a few other ones that are out there, but it's hard kind of to tell what the difference is until you do a demo and get in there. But I've been kind of stalling on pulling the trigger on one of them because it's such a huge pain to move all of your clients from one platform to another, get the office admin trained up, get the employees trained up to use the new platform. So if you have any suggestions on that, I am all ears. Please leave it in the comments. I would love to hear that. But overall for today, it was a good day. It was a nice day out. I'm exhausted. I've been exhausted since the weekend, but I'm still plugging away. So as a word of encouragement, just if you're feeling exhausted, keep moving. You'll be all right. Things will pick back up if they're slow, and if they're fast, then you'll get a breather at some point. So that's the update for today. I hope everybody's doing great out there. As always, leave some comments, like and subscribe, and come back to follow me along my journey building my company, and I'll see you in the next one.